A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. As-salatu was-salamu alayka ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So there was a comment by Mukarram Ali 3466 under the video 24, and he asked, I want to ask, if I recite only sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, then would it be sufficient? Because many people raise question on this Durood that there is no mention of al in this Durood. So first thing first, when you say sallallahu alayhi wasallam, this is a complete Durood. This is sufficient. You don't have to add anything or any more word in it to make a complete salawat or complete Durood. Because if you see the translation of verse number 56 of Surah Al-Ahzab, you will see that the word which has been used to send blessings upon Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that word is mentioned there as salu. And that condition is fulfilled when you say sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So I hope it's clear when you say sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it is a complete salawat. Now, when we talk about the opinion where people say that we should be adding the word of al, which means progeny, in any salawat, that comes from, Durood Ibrahim, Salawat Ibrahim, which we recite in every obligatory prayer as well. Because in Salawat Ibrahim, the word of al has been used 4 times. So whenever we say the word of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we say his progeny as well. And when we say the name of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam there, we also use the word of al with him as well in both parts of the Salawat Ibrahim. That's why it's a very popular opinion that whenever we recite any short salawat, we should be adding the word of al in it, following Salawat Ibrahim. Another idea behind adding the word of al in any Durood is that whenever you recite salawat upon Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and mention his al or his progeny, then they all pray for you as well. It is exactly like that whenever you send salam or send peace upon Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam replies you back and sends peace upon you as well. Now, the third idea behind adding the word of al in any salawat follows this practice of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that whenever he would pray for his ummah. He would pray for all of his followers. So, following Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam practice, we should be adding the word of al in salawat. This is how we'll be following the sunnah of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Because see, what is salawat? Salawat is actually a prayer where you pray and request Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to send peace and blessings on Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his followers. And in many salawat, we also add the word of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam azwaj, meaning Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam wives, and his family and his sahaba alayhi salam as well. So following Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam sunnah, the least we can do is to add the word of al in the salawat we recite. And especially when we talk about Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam progeny, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam followers, this means we are not only talking about humans, but jinns as well, and all those creatures who follow Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And it is a very popular opinion that when you recite salawat by adding the word of al in it, all the followers of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whether it be humans or jinns or any other creature, they all pray for you when angels are already praying for you. So this is how you gather a lot of blessings and a lot of prayers in your favor. So I hope it is clear now. When you say sallallahu alaihi wasallam, this is a complete salawat. When you say sallallahu ala Muhammad, this is again complete salawat. It is completely your choice to add the word of al in it or not. On a personal level, I would definitely love to add the word of al, and I always say sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam. And trust me, it doesn't take you much time, literally few microseconds, and you remember not only Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam but all of his followers as well. So if you have any more questions, you can always mention in the comments or message me on WhatsApp on the given number, or email to me if you want to share some incident or real life story as well. Another thing which I want to add here is that if you know any language other than Urdu, Hindi, or English, like maybe Spanish or French or maybe German language, so you are free to translate all my videos in that specific language, create your own YouTube channel, because the purpose of creating this channel, Durood Salawat channel, is to spread the message of Salawat to maximum number of people. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala may accept our efforts and enable us not only to recite Salawat but invite other people to recite salawat as well. As-salatu was-salamu alayka ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.